That's where I'm going. Right there. Come on. Alright, so this is the community college that I graduated from in 2012. This is where I wasted 6 years at. So that building right there is brand new. I haven't been in there. In fact, it was just a walkway to the main building. So I don't know what that building is. I usually park over, it just depends. Over here, over there was best. School marshals. Oh yeah, I'll tell you about that in a second, why they have school marshals. So this building is new here. I've never been there. That's new. What's it called? I don't even see it. It's the Welcome Center, huh? I don't know. I was gonna go to the admissions building back there from what I remember. Again, all this is sort of new right here, man. That's, you know, the library was here, but I remember when they built that, and that was a library. But yeah, it used to just be a walkway here. Like, this is like a brand new building here, man, from what I remember. Yeah, this building wasn't here when I came last time, so wow. But I'm just gonna park where I know. Yeah, I had one of the worst times of my life with a female. Spring 2010, 2011 was on this campus. Bad memories, but somewhat good ones too. I'm just gonna park over here somewhere. Well, honestly, here's a spot here. Plenty of spaces now. They have lots of new parking now, so let me park up. Show you the car. It's dirty. Let me show you the car. Here's the car. Yeah, so some crazy things happened. There's a police station right over there. Some crazy things happened years ago. 2010, 2011. You could probably still find the videos online. But there was a guy. He drove up to the police station in a red pickup truck. He set the pickup truck on fire in front of the police station. He shot at the police station with like 200 rounds, approximately 200 rounds. That was a super right there. He shot up with approximately 200 rounds, and I remember that morning because I was leaving. I was just about to come up to the school here. I used to live out that way. So you got like fire trucks, EMS right there, like everything's over, everything emergency medical's over here. And I had looked at the website to sign in that morning. They said there's an active shooter. I remember that. And I was like, holy crap, and there's a helicopter. And I live, it was like way down there, not too far, a few miles away. And it said active shooter. This is not a drill. Or any, like, it was insane. They sent that message on the website in big red letters, and I looked it up. And it was on live TV. They said a guy had shot at the police station. I'll never forget it, man. And then he drove to, like, there's like a backwoods back there. And then that's where the cop shot him at, or like he killed himself back there. I remember that. There's another Genesis coupe. Let me go in. So I'm here, just job searching, man. I'm going to ask them about things. Well, I'm going to ask them about animation, but I'll ask them about other things too, you know. I usually go into this door. I don't know if this is still the admissions. This is a welcome center. Again, that building right there was not there. That's new. It used to just be a walkway to the new library before they added that. So just saw the super pull up. There you go. Yeah, I've been researching B58s, man. 440i, 240i someday. Sick. But I'll go on. I'm not gonna show the entire building, like all that. Oh, there's a bunch of new buildings, man. Like I said, they didn't have these buildings out when I was here. Like, that's brand new, that building's new, everything. So see if the admissions is still in the same location now. That's it. School marshals. That's why they have them now. So now you know some crazy things about here in an odd way. It's a good place. But this is it. Yeah, this is all the same. Water fountain. I sort of want to go in there real quick, but one of James still works here. Yeah, it's all the same. Yeah, it looks like admissions is still here. It says a fitness center. I used to work out there. It looks like they're having a, it might be like a welcome day actually. Student ID office. Texas A&M. Wow, this is all new. SMU. Wow. There's a study transfer. That's all new, man. It used to be like a conference center, but it's all new. Wow, he's still here. I remember him. Wow, they have a cafe there now. That's new. Let me see. Academia. Yeah, this is still the place. Yeah, the cafeteria is new, man. That's crazy. Cougar pizza. Alright, let me see. Yeah, so I was correct. Yeah, it used to be a walkway. This building wasn't here, so I am going over here. She said that this is the new admissions office here. Again, you see the, oh wow, science center, sciences center. That's new, man. That's new. But yeah, again, I'm just job searching there. After this, I am going to do an actual POV drive over to, I'm going to go to Whole Foods after that. It's not too far away from here, so. Look at this. I usually press these, man. I don't care. I go through there. Wow. Yeah, this is new. I guess admissions there. They might be closed. This is cool, man. Let's see. I'm going upstairs, see if any professors are here. I don't know if her office was still over here. She could have moved. Young. But yeah, there's like 3 floors to the building. Yeah, I don't see anyone in the offices right now. I mean, I've had classes everywhere around here, dude. But yeah, I talked to the guy, the career center. I know Dr. White used to be down here. Talked to the guy. He said I could set up an appointment, so I'll do that. Talk to him next week. Cancer. Yeah, I had classes all through here, man. Good grief, I don't miss them. I do not miss these classes. There used to be the art place right there. Let me see. Office suite. Brian White, B 216. He's in here. It's a black dude, but his name is Brian White. It's cool. Government. I'm curious if he's in here. Last time I saw him was randomly at Walmart. Hold on. He might be in there. Alright, so going a little drive to Whole Foods. It won't be far. Honestly, like 5 to 10 minutes. Well, depends on traffic, honestly. Between 5 to 15 minutes, not far. But yeah. So I'll set those appointments and talk to them. It's cool to see the new building. There's a lot more to this campus I can show you. There's a car coming out behind me. It used to be called community college, but then eventually they changed it to like just the full college name, became sort of like 4-year, I guess. But let me get out of here.